was in this car wreck last night.
Okay, but nobody's allowed in the yard for insurance.
Okay. He said we could take a quick picture. I just
Yeah.
Is it yours or is it?
She was in the car. I think Kelly brought her. He did. He told us to be quick.
Wow, I can't believe
I'm
that.
gonna take pictures right now. We're taking pictures and we're gonna get kicked out of here in a minute. I'm gonna get one of each. I can't believe those sideways. It was on this side. He's gonna kick us out in a minute. So
I know.
Are you taking pictures?
Yeah. I think so.
I can't believe those side windows aren't bashed in. In my head, they were all bashed in.